Welcome to the future of manufacturing, Industry 4.0. But what exactly is Industry 4.0, and how is it transforming the way we make things? Let's dive in. To understand Industry 4.0, we need to look at the past. Manufacturing has gone through four major revolutions. Industry 1.0, 18th century. The power of steam and water mechanized production. Industry 2.0, 19th-20th century, electricity and mass production via assembly lines. Industry 3.0, late 20th century. The rise of computers and automation. Industry 4.0, today and beyond. Smart factories powered by IoT, AI, and big data. Industry 4.0 is all about connectivity, automation, and intelligence. Here are the key technologies driving this revolution. 1. Internet of Things, IoT. Machines and devices communicate in real time, optimizing production. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI-driven analytics improve efficiency, detect issues, and predict failures before they happen. 3. Big data and cloud computing. Factories collect and analyze massive amounts of data to enhance decision-making. 4. Digital twins. Virtual replicas of machines allow for testing and troubleshooting without stopping production. 5. Cyber-physical systems and automation. Robots and smart machines work alongside humans to increase precision and speed. 6. 5G and edge computing. Ultra-fast connectivity enables seamless real-time monitoring and control. So how does Industry 4.0 improve manufacturing? Let's compare a traditional factory with a smart factory. In a traditional setup, machines operate independently, and problems are only fixed after breakdowns. In contrast, smart factories predict failures, self-optimize, and minimize downtime, leading to higher efficiency, lower costs, and better quality. Industry 4.0 allows manufacturers to respond faster to changes, reduce waste, and even customize products at scale, something that was nearly impossible in the past. So, what's next? Industry 5.0 is already emerging, focusing on collaboration between humans and machines, sustainability, and hyper-personalization of product. The manufacturing world is evolving at an unprecedented rate. Industry 4.0 isn't just the future, it's happening now. Are you ready for the smart manufacturing revolution? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and let us know in the comments. How do you see Industry 4.0 impacting the future?